Welcome back everyone to another tutorial for the Windrose game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your in-game language for this game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up Windrose on your device, and after you have set up your main character, you will be taken into the main menu. From here, go ahead and click on Settings. And then within the Settings page, make sure that you are within the Gameplay tab. Within this tab, the first menu is the Language menu. Click on the drop-down button, and you will see the list of available languages. Click on your preferred language, and once you click on it, make sure to apply your changes by clicking on the Apply button or pressing the Enter key. This will apply your language right away. And after this, you can go back and click on the Play button to start playing your game with your chosen language. If you wish to change this at any point of time, then go back to the main menu, click on the second option directly underneath the Play button, and then from the very first menu, click on the very first drop-down option to choose your desired language once again. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the in-game language on the Windrose game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips like this one. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.